Hello, part 37 of the tutorial deals with the IndexedDB. This is called BANanoSQL. We create our IndexedDB database via code on BananoReady, then we are able to open the database and perform CRUD functions on it. The code structure used here is the same as before. It's only that here we have to build the auto-increment values ourselves via code. We do that by getting the max value of the ID field, and increment that by 1. As you have noted, the page structure here is still the same like before. We have add user, get users, delete users, get user with ID equals 1, etc. The only difference on the code is the addition of the code to build the auto-increment field and then the execute code for our commands. We are not using PHP here, but build it methods for BananoSQL. The code looks similar like before. We define a BananoSQL variable. This ensures that the AlaSQL JavaScript file is loaded in our project. You will need to run the project at least twice for that file to be reflected and sync your files the second time. For our inserts, we get the max for our primary key and then increment that by 1. We then assign that value to the ID value. As we are not using PHP, we call BananoSQL methods to run our commands with execute wait. Execute wait returns the result of our command. As the code is similar to the 3 tutorials we have done before, one can refer to tutorial 34 for more details.